Good evening, everyone present out here. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. It is my big pleasure to be standing here in front of you all. My name is Priti Ramki, and I belong from here itself, Sir. I'm 18 years of age, and now I'm currently pursuing in education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School at world standard in fields of arts. Talking about my interest lies on cooking, singing, dancing, reading books, and last but not least, modeling. My real motive to participate in Miss KYF is to learn something new in life and to have experience with it, and to boost up my confidence level and to remove all my fears in life. Uh, in order to be passionate about my futures and my goals. Thank you.
Okay, since you like pageantry, who have motivated you, or who is the inspiration that you have looked forward to as a, you? Everybody has an idol, right? The one which we look forward to. Who is your idol in pageantry field?
My my idol will be Harna Sanju. I like him. I like her very much. The way she walks, I have watched her video. I have watched her video that she was participating in Miss Universe. I like her walk very much. That she inspired me into my heart. So I decided to participate in Miss Universe.
Good evening, everyone, respected judges, and everyone present here. My name is Jimmy Baby. I'm from Bangkok. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA from St. Mary's College, Shillong. My hobbies are listening songs and reading books. That's all about me. Thank you.
Do you have any specific team you like?
So, it's something personal, but it's okay. I'll share it. Uh, is to do well my studies so that I could go for further studies outside. And my aim in life is well research, like on my honors paper that is in sociology, something to contribute to my society and later to become a professor.
So you want to be a professor. So tell me something about sociology. What is sociology?
Okay, sociology, everyone says that it's all about the studies of society, but it's about everything. Like we study each and every field, every actions of an individual. We study everything in the sense of like everything related in our daily basis. So it's all about that. So in short, we can say that it's about studies about the society, in order irrespective of like community, religion,
judges, and all my dear sisters standing behind me. My name is Sophie, and I'm 17 years old. I'm from here itself, Difu, and I'm currently pursuing my higher secondary in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Difu. I'm talking about my hobbies. I have lots of hobbies, including singing, dancing, acting, modeling, painting, cooking, gardening, etc. And about my aim in life, yes, I have lots of aim in life, but after this, I have came to know about that in a life we have to choose only one aim. And yes, I have chosen to be a successful independent woman and also a successful beauty pageantry. And also, I believe that the beauty pageantry has provided platforms to empower humans. And yes, if I ever get chance to go to the high level, I would like to encourage all the young humans of Caribbean to pursue their dreams, and I would like to encourage them to be believe in themselves and to be confident and to be strong. Thank you so much.
According to you, what are the qualities that a winner of Miss KYF should have?
Yes, actually, Miss KYF, the title is Caribbean Youth Festival. Actually, it's about the festival queen. So once the winner of Miss KYF should be knows all about the Caribbean, including the traditional, about the language, also all about this present in this festivals. And yes, yes, the person who deserves this Miss KYF should know everything about the cultures and traditions and also thinks about that. The person should be like thinks about it. She wants to be think about the traditions and culture to be of high level, and that she wanted to make members of the outsider world about that Caribbean. And yes, I would like to say honestly that I want my cultures and traditions to be embraced by all outside worlds. And also we know that the outside world has a little knowledge about the Caribbean, traditional also cultures, also and religious or whatever. So this is my aim. I mean, yeah. That's why I'm competing here. Please give it up. Thank you so much.
So if we are talking about culture, what do you like the best in about our culture?
What cultures? It's I would like to say about traditional dress. Actually, now in this modern world, always so about the traditional dress, and then in YouTube and all social media also we used to see about that. Many of them are showing their beautiful traditional dress attire wearing by beautiful women and all. So I would like to take my traditional attire known by all the world till the universe. I want to take this traditional dress. And also not only traditional dress, but also the cultures. Actually, Caribbean also has like